Before Habitat came and rescued me, I had tried to get help from everywhere.
Our owner-occupied home preservation program is created in partnership with the Fort Myers Community Redevelopment Agency. So in order to be eligible, the homeowner must live in the MLK area and must have an open code violation.
They just did everything. Totally stripped the roof down to the studs and put Humpty back together again. We've been in this neighborhood, in this house, for about 20 years. My husband of 50 years was born in this house, and he went to heaven from this house. It meant a great deal to me and my kids.
We focus on the exterior of the property. It helps homeowners who have open code violations look for the assistance that they need without the burden of the cost.
The process was easy. I never felt put off or pushed to the side. That worst part of my life is past me. My house is repaired and fully restored. I thank God and appreciate Habitat every day.
If a homeowner is interested in our owner-occupied home preservation program, they can submit a contact form found on our website or give us a call at 239-652-4663.